Hey, we're here today at eimports4Less talking about a recent addition to our inventory. This here's a 2016 Audi SQ5. Sepang blue metallic on the exterior with the black and silver two-tone interior. The vehicle currently has 30,000 miles on it. A couple of features of this one: panoramic view roof, Xenon headlights, roof rails, 20-inch rims, and Bang & Olufsen audio. If you're looking for all the details about this vehicle, it can be seen anytime at eimports.com. And we can take questions here at the store, 215-249-9100. Additionally, this vehicle is equipped with a backup camera with front and rear park assist. We'll come around this side and take a quick look at the interior. Notice the carbon trim throughout. Black and silver interior. SQ5 embroidered seats. Large display for the navigation, backup camera. Get a good look at the panoramic view roof. All the details can be seen anytime at eimports.com. And we can take questions here at the store, 215-249-9100. Thanks again.